The purpose of the link handling unit transaction is to link individual handling units to a parent. The parent might exist already, or we might be creating it as part of this. If we look at some of the data in LN before we start the process, we can see that we have two handling units in stock called HU7247 and 7248. The intention of this will be to link both of those into a single parent. For this transaction to work, these handling units need to be in the same location, and obviously the parent needs to be in the same location if it already exists. They also need to have a status of in stock. So in this example, we're creating a link for a handling unit that exists. We scan in the handling unit and we hit process, and it gives us a successful message and will print us a label of the new handling unit if we require one. What we see there is it automatically comes back with the parent handling unit that it has created, which then allows me to scan in another handling unit if I'm intending to create more than one link. So in this case, I've created a link from HU7247 and 7248, which now belong to the parent HU7249. The net effect that we are left with is we have HU7249, which is the parent in stock, which is now made up of HU7247 and HU7248, as can be shown in these pictures from LN.